guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Simônè Slater. I'm from the blog and YouTube channel Canvas Fashions. So today's video we're going to be reviewing a face mask. So I put a poll on Instagram asking you what face mask you want to see, and it literally came as 50-50 with the Indian Healing Clay Mask and the Glam Glow. So I'm going to be reviewing two face masks, two different videos. So for today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Indian Healing Clay Mask. Now this mask, I've seen so many reviews on YouTube and across social media, and I had to get my hands on it. I actually purchased it on Amazon, and I'll leave the price and the link down below. But this is one of the most popular products on Amazon to purchase at the moment, and this is how many grams? I have no idea, but it's quite a bit, and I think this lasts for maybe 10 or 12 face masks. So if you want to see my review on this face mask, then just keep on. Okay, so for this face mask, it says that you can use raw apple cider vinegar or water. Do not use a metal bowl or metal utensil, and then you stir it with the water. So you stir this mixture with the water, and then or the apple cider vinegar, and you apply it to your face, and it forms like a pasty form. So I don't have raw apple cider vinegar. The only vinegar that I could find here in store was this vinegar, and this is the double strength apple cider vinegar. But I don't think I'm going to use apple cider vinegar because my skin is quite sensitive to these type of products, and I'm not a fan of vinegar on my skin. It's going to burn the heck out of me. So unless I do get like raw apple cider vinegar, then I will use that. But for today I'm going to be using just water, and this is just ordinary still water. And then you need a glass or a plastic bowl, and then plastic spoon or whatever you're going to use to mix the mixture in, and then whatever you're going to apply it to your face. And I'm just going to use a brush to apply it to. Okay, so as you can see, I've got quite a bit of pigmentation on my face. I don't really have a lot of breakouts. I think I'm really blessed. After pregnancy I didn't have a lot of breakouts, but I do have pigmentation. I think I just have one or two pimples right here because I've been trying a new facial wash. But yeah, so let's just see how this mask does on my skin. So they say like you need to mix equal parts of the product. So I want quite a thick paste, or a paste for my whole face. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like extremely runny, or must it be like very pasty. So once I've mixed it, it comes out quite lumpy. Maybe I haven't mixed it properly. First time for everything. So I'm going to apply it to my face now. It's very lumpy. So I'm going to put it down my neck because I have pigmentation there. Okay, so this is with the face mask on, and while we wait, I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes or until it dries. I'm going to speak about what this actually does. So it's for facials, acne, body scrubs, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. So yeah, it's supposed to be the world's most powerful facial for deep cleansing, for deep pore cleansing, and it's got natural calcium bentonite clay. So with the reviews that I've seen online, it's supposed to help with acne. I don't think it's supposed to lighten your blemishes, but it's supposed to control your acne and your oils and your sebum on your skin. So I have oily to combination to oily skin, so I'm hoping that this actually works to control my T-zone, because that's where I tend to get the most oily. And yeah, but I've heard so many good reviews about this healing clay mask, and I had to put it to the test. So I'll be back in 10 minutes, and then I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, so off the bat, while I'm waiting, it's not tingling at all. I think because I haven't used the apple cider cider vinegar. I know most people say when they've applied it with the apple cider vinegar, it does tend to tingle their face. At the moment, I can feel my face getting a little bit tight, like around my mouth area and stuff like that, but I know that's what it's supposed to be doing, and deep pore cleansing your face. So I really like it. It is getting a little bit hard and like tight, as if you're getting a little facelift, mini facelift, but other than that, it feels quite nice. It's not harsh on the skin, it's not burny. Sometimes face masks can be a bit too harsh, especially if they have that high hydroglyphic or something acid in it, but I don't think that is in it at all. So it says let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. Oh, it's 1 lb. What's lb? I don't work in lbs. So it makes up to 10 to 15 facials. Use it once per week for the family, more often for problem skin. Oh, so you can use it once per week, or you can use it as often as you want to if you have problem skin. So I'm going to see how it works for this once, and then I'll see if I can be using it like twice a week. If not, I think it will just be my weekly mask, depending on how I actually like it and how it works on my skin. But it feels like it's getting a bit tight. It actually feels like almost as tight as when you put what is it, the magnesium from Lush, Magnimity, the mask of Magnimity from Lush. It almost has that feeling. It doesn't smell at all, it smells like clay, if you've smelled clay. Yeah, we'll see how this dries. I will be back in 10 to 15 minutes, so let's put a timer. So 15 minutes from now I will be back. So as you can see, it's dried quite nicely. There's a bit of wet patches here, but if I touch it, it's not as wet as I thought. It's cracked, so I think it's done the job. My face is feeling quite tight at the moment. But other than that, it's not uncomfortable. It's very tight here, you know, where it's dried out. That's where it's very tight. It's almost like I've gotten a facelift or something, because it's super tight, like my skin is like squinching together. That's how it feels. But I'm just going to quickly wash this off and I will be right back. So as you can see, I just washed my face. I just washed the mask off, and I really like how my face feels. It's so smooth, so supple, and still feels really clean. So it did do the job of pore cleansing, because I can actually feel like my skin is so smooth. I may have a bit of pore like stuff here, but if I run my finger, it's actually really smooth. Normally if I have quite big pores here, you will feel them, or blackheads, but I actually like how it feels. It's so smooth. So I'm hoping this actually helps with my oily skin, because I tend to get oily in my T-zone, and this is supposed to deep pore cleanse your skin, so like absorb any oils and dirt that is underneath your skin, and I really like what it did. So I hope it's going to help with, not with my acne, but with my pigmentation and my future breakouts. And yeah, in the beginning of the video, you remember I had a breakout right here, and if I put my hand on it, it's like flattened it out. It's not gone, it like disappeared, but it's flattened it out, so it's obviously absorbed whatever junk was underneath it, which I'm very happy about. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video review. Thank you so much for watching, and this review was on the Aztec Indian Healing Clay face mask, and this is a deep pore cleansing mask. So I mixed it with water instead of apple cider vinegar because my skin is a little bit sensitive. But the next time I do apply this mask, I'm going to try it with the apple cider vinegar and see the results with it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell down below where you can get a notification and an email every time I upload a new video. Who doesn't want to be notified when I upload? You want to be the first one to know, don't you? Okay guys, love you so much. Stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.